Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Alright, kaibigan, hopefully nasa magandang kalagayan ka, kaibigan. I wish you well and welcome to the Parking University. Alright, kaibigan, itong topic natin ngayon, kaibigan, ito yung sabi ni Nobel Goddard, kaibigan, na the universe is energy and frequency. Wow! Ano tayo ng jacket kay sobrang init. Medyo paano na patapos na yung winter. Alright, kaibigan, napakagandang napakagandang learning and knowledge to na kung maintindihan natin tong law of frequency and energy, kaibigan, we could apply daw this sa buhay natin. This could change, slowly change sa reality natin. So it depends if pag maintindihan talaga natin na itong law or basic principle sa universe, kaibigan. Law of universe something. Alright, so parang gravity lang yan, kaibigan. Pag ihulog natin yung bato na mabigat, mahuhulog yun. So yun yung mga law of gravity or yun yung mga law of universe na hindi yun ma-change. Like kung ikaw galit ka, manampal ka ng tao, so most likely ang makukuha mo rin is hate, or masampalan ka, masuntok ka, or mabaril ka, or anything. So but if you always give love, peace, respect, so most likely yun din yung ma-attract mo. So ganito na yun, kaibigan. So why ang universe is energy and frequency daw? Okay, so lahat daw tayo, ito yung ni Nobel Goddard, lahat dito, it could be yung sasakyan natin, higaan natin, hangin, it's energy, okay, it's frequency. So kung ang universe daw is all about frequency and energy, kaibigan, so that means if we can transmit kung ano yung frequency na itatransmit natin, or ano yung frequency na ipapakita natin, we could align to that frequency. Okay, so it could be if you are sending a frequency of fear, palagi kang takot. If you are sending a frequency of overthinking, nagtithink ka sa mga bagay na problema na it could be yung problema na yun hindi naman talaga mangyayari. Iniisip ka na problema in the future or anything na obstacle in the future, whereas probably hindi naman talaga yun siya mangyayari din. Okay, so overthinking. So it could be luck, kaibigan, is parang palagi kang nag-iisip na parang wala ka palagi. So yun yung tinatransmit mo. So it could be poverty, or nag-ano ka ng poverty, yun yung palaging iniisip mo. So that means kung yun yung iniisip mo, kaibigan, yun, andun yung attention mo. Okay, so pag andun yung attention mo, andun yung energy mo. Okay, wherever the attention is, doon yung energy. So pag andun yung energy mo, kaibigan, that means you are in that frequency. Okay, so that's the law of the universe, sabi ni Nobel Goddard. Whatever your frequency, yun din yung mahahagap mo or makukuha mo. So basically, if you are tuning into channel 7 yung makukuha mo. Mag-tune in ka sa FM yung mapakinggan mo. AM ka mag-tune in, AM yung mapakinggan mo. So if you tuning into scarcity, poor mindset, negativity, kaibigan, fear, wala kang confidence, so that means the universe will just align you to that frequency, kaibigan. So that means kaya nga daw ang universe is energy and frequency. Okay, so once maintindihan natin to na if we just change our frequency, if we just change how we vibrate daw sa universe, then we could also change or slowly change our reality, kasi yun yung ma-attract natin. Okay, so for example, we always transmit positivity, kaibigan. So sabihin man nila na delusional ka, kahit for example wala ka, down ka, anything, there's something not good things happen to you. Okay, so as a human being, it's nature na mayroon tayong maramdaman na it's not good, but the thing there, kaibigan, is it depends daw paano tayo mag-respond. Okay, so walang problema, so walang tao na hindi naka-experience ng obstacle, failure, or anything na hindi maganda. Walang tao na hindi naka-experience doon. So walang exception doon, kaibigan. So the only difference is how we manage that, how we respond, how we react. Okay, kung we keep reacting negativity, okay, so you are aligning again the law, you are transmitting negative frequency, and you are aligning to the negative energy, and most likely that's what you will attract and that you will become. Okay, so kung ano yung palaging binibigyan mo ng atensyon, lagi mong iniisip, kaibigan, is most likely that's what you will become. Okay, so may kasabihan na you become what you think about. Sinong nagsabi doon? You become what you think about. It's very strong, kaibigan, kasi it's very simple yan. So bakit may mapapansin tayo na may mga matatalinong tao, smart sa valedictorian, cum laude, at saka i-compare mo sa may mga average na tao, at saka or hindi man lang nangungupya lang sa college, but yung mga tao na for some reason average or hindi matalino, they become more successful in real life. So hindi yun lahat, okay? May mga tao rin na smart, then they become more successful, but idig daw yun, kaibigan, pag sa study doon, kaibigan, is ang ano lang yun, kung ano yung frequency natin na transmit niya, it doesn't matter hindi ka smart, okay? Hindi ka smart sa school, but if you are transmitting the frequency, or you are abiding the law of the universe, na whatever you transmit, ayun din yung masasagap mo, or what you keep thinking, wherever, that's your energy dun, kaibigan, din that's you will attract, and that you will become. Wow! So ngayon, kaibigan, kung sabi ni Neville Goddard, paano tayo maka-align sa frequency of abundance? Okay, so since universe is a energy of frequency, so meaning kung tayo ay maka-align lang dyan, kaibigan, sa positivity, or there's a frequency of abundance, kung maka-align tayo, kung maka-transmit tayo ng abundance frequency, that means andun tayo sa frequency na yun, then most likely yun yung masasagap natin, or yun yung makukuha natin. Wow! Sabi ni Neville Goddard, ang isang napakagandang gawin natin para maka-align tayo sa abundance frequency, kasi 'di ba, iba't ibang frequency, may lack frequency, scarcity frequency, negative frequency, at saka mayroong mga positive side na frequency na abundance frequency, mga swertihin ka na frequency. So yung abundance frequency, kaibigan, the first thing na pwede nating gawin daw, sabi ni Neville Goddard, is yung gratitude. Okay, because when you are grateful, kaibigan, when ikaw nagpapasalamat ka, for example, something failed, or nawalan ka ng trabaho, or anything daw, kaibigan, or whatever ka man daw ngayon, but instead of focusing on the negative side, okay, so it's normal na you feel sad kung mayroong problema or anything, but hindi ka daw palagi mo yung dalhin for the rest of the days, months, weeks, years, and then you are having that negative frequency all the time. So yun din yung ma-attract mo. But if you just move on, at saka you just transmit a positive frequency, or abundance frequency. Ano ba yung abundance frequency, kaibigan? When you are grateful ka, that means mapasalamatin ka, that means you have a lot already, okay? Kahit wala ka, for example, grateful ka sa buhay ngayon, grateful ka na ikaw ay gumising, grateful ka na ikaw ay very healthy, mayroong paa, mayroong kamay, you could find work kahit wala ka pang work, or mayroon ka mang work, thankful ka sa work mo ngayon. So grateful ka with your families, grateful ka na mayroon kang natulugan, grateful ka na mayroon kang pamasahe, o grateful ka na mayroon kang lunch. So anything na very small things daw, kaibigan, but when you start to be grateful, that means you are just transmitting a positive energy. Okay, you are just transmitting an energy to that abundance frequency. Then you are attracting more daw dyan, kaibigan. Okay, so your reality will slowly change. Hindi mo yan mamalayan pag gagawin mo yan every day. Hindi yan instant. So but every day mo yan, nagtatransmit ka ng good vibes, nagtatransmit ka ng happy emotion. Okay, yung emotion daw natin, kaibigan. Okay, so yung brain daw natin, kaibigan, isa lang yung pwede niyang maisip. Okay, when you are sad, feel sad, hindi ka pwede makapag-isip ng happy. Okay, but when you are grateful, happy, hindi ka rin makapag-isip ng sad or anything. So iano mo lang daw yung brain natin na yun yung i-focus mo, yun yung isipin mo, kasi yung brain is, it can think once at a time lang. So pag isip ka ng negativity, positivity, pag yung emotion mo na itatransmit mo, kaibigan, is happiness, itatransmit mo is grateful, kasi grateful ka, ay salamat, buhay ako ngayon, mayroon ng hangin, mayroong anything na small things to be grateful. Okay, mayroon akong parents pa. Okay, anything na small things na you are grateful and thankful, you are just transmitting a positive energy, abundance frequency, kaibigan, and you are aligning to this abundance frequency. So sabi ni Neville Goddard is it could slowly change your reality. Hindi mo lang daw mapapansin, kaibigan, na one day nataka ka na lang, uy, because you are just in that frequency of abundance, nakamit ka ng tao na mayroong bigay sa'yo ng opportunity. It could be opportunity events na makikita mo lang, uy, mayroong opportunity, or it's something like a miracle that happened because you are in that frequency. Kasi daw, kaibigan, ang universe, there's unlimited abundance if we can just tap into that abundance frequency. So slowly tayo makatap in doon pag tayo ay grateful, pag ikaw ay mapasalamatin. Hindi lang kahit magbigay ka, pasalamat ka, magka-receive ka, pasalamat ka. So grateful is starting to be grateful daw, kaibigan. Yun yung pinakauna na makatap in tayo sa frequency of abundance. At saka mayroon tayong mga limiting belief daw, kaibigan. Okay, so mayroon tayong mga limiting belief na mamana natin sa generation na hindi na siya nagsiserve ngayon. For example, itong like, ito talaga yung kapalaran ko, mahirap talaga ako. So if you just confirm that, if you just keep doing that, kaibigan, you are right. Okay, you are just confirming na ganito talaga yung kapalaran mo, mahirap, napakahirap hanapin yung pera. So that means you are aligning your frequency to that, kaibigan. So that's why napakahirap na yung hanapin yung pera. But if you just focus on the positive side, if you just focus, okay, on the gratefulness side, na you are grateful na mayroon kang mayroon ka pang ganito, mayroon kang nakain, anything. So you are just aligning yourself to the abundance frequency. Wow, kaibigan, hopefully may natutunan tayo, kaibigan. Very basic. Universe is frequency and energy. So, 'di ba? Kung napapansin mo, pag may taong nag-uusap kayo, may taong negative na tao, napapansin mo hindi maganda yung parang environment kasi puro negative siya, naninira ng tao, or anything na sasabihin mo, magtuturo lang siya ng negative. Pero pag isang tao, pag lumapit doon na positive na tao, happy na tao, enjoy lang siya, happy na tao, mapi-feel mo yung vibes na maganda, kasama yung tao na yun, kasi yung energy or frequency na tina-transmit niya is very doon sa happy frequency, kaibigan. So ganun daw yung low, kaibigan, ng frequency. Okay, so, universe. Okay, so frequency and energy. So we must be careful kung ano yung ipo-focus natin na frequency, kaibigan. Okay, hopefully hindi ko nasayang yung oras mo, kaibigan, at